Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway. Well, today we'll be previewing another beautiful 1965 Pontiac GTO. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and understand exactly what this car has to offer. I think you can probably already tell this has been restored to a very high level. It's got everything that I would want if I were buying first generation Pontiac. Boy, she just presents absolutely outstanding. The black plate California car, for those of you that know what that means, how it translates to this car is all original body panels and no rust ever. She is straight. The finish in red over black. She retains her original powertrain. .389 tri-power. We'll get to under the hood here in just a moment. But again, this paint and body is just fantastic. See cross-drilled rotors there, disc brakes up front, 16-inch American Racing wheels. Do this, I'll pause while I open the hood. There you have it, tri-power, power disc brakes. This was a rotisserie restored done car. 2018, I believe, was the completion date. It's been driven and enjoyed since. You see long tube headers there that have a great sound. Tri-power tuned perfectly. That's a CPP power disc inversion. And we do have the PHS documents that accompany this car. It proves that it is what we say that it is. A little nick right here where the hood just touches. Just touches. This frame is powder coated. It's indicated to us by the previous owner. One of the things I like to see, even the weather stripping on the vent windows, which typically gets overlooked, it has also been replaced during the restoration. These door gaps are so nice. Intend to keep 65 GTO in stock. Let's take a look. Again, quality just oozes. Drum brakes in the back. 2 sets of keys. Full spare jack. Original quarter panels. Man, this is just gorgeous. The original stamping there in the quarter panel. So nice. Wood grain steering wheel. There's the Hearst shifter. $13,729. That's what the odometer reads. Pretty nice. See here the original Tecto plate. There. Wisconsin. This car was restored while its life was spent in California. And that, the serial number of the car there, and the original owner's manual as well. All the courtesy lamps function as they should, including, surprisingly enough, one in the console. Make sure we're neutral.